If you want to help customers choose the right size and boost sales, installing the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender app on Shopify is quick and easy. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Apps. Then open the Shopify App Store. Search for Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender and click Install to add the app to your store. Once installed, open the app from your dashboard and connect it to your Shopify store. Inside the app, configure the size charts for your products by creating charts for different categories or collections. You can also enable the Product Recommender feature to suggest related products to customers. Customize the display settings to match your store's design. After finishing the setup, save your changes and preview your product pages to ensure the size charts and recommendations appear correctly. After saving, the Kiwi app will display size charts and product recommendations on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.